Hello friends, we will make resin in the ratio of 2:1, where clear is twice the hardener. After that, we will mix this for 15 minutes. After that, we will cut some dry flowers for decoration. We'll put all these dry flowers in the alphabet molds. For variety of colors, we're gonna cut some green leaves. And now we will gonna put these green leaves in molds. Similarly, we're gonna put different kind of flower petals in the alphabet molds. Now we will pour resin. One thing you should keep in your mind that while pouring resin, air bubbles should not be formed. If air bubbles are formed, just pop it using toothpick. Leave the resin to dry for 24 hours. Look how beautiful our resin art looks because of the variety of flowers that we used to make this art. You can convert all these alphabets into a keychain or a necklace. It totally depends on you, but I really want to make it into a keychain. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this resin art tutorial, so please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Bye.